So let's look at the assignments I gave you during the previous lesson where you are required to fill in the blanks using article a. So the instructions were fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks using a. So the instructions were very simple. We are only supposed to fill in the blanks using a. Very simple and easy instructions to follow. The first question. So these are the questions that I gave you. There are only 5 questions and you are supposed to fill in the blanks using a. The first question reads, my mother has dash mango. So you fill in the blank space with a. Then after filling in your answer, you also read the whole sentence. My mother has a mango. Your sentence is supposed to read that my mother has a mango. So if you have the correct answer, give yourself a mark using a pen of a different color with what you've used to write. Question 2, I have dash best friend. You also fill in the blank space with a. Then you read the whole sentence. I have a best friend. I have a best friend. If you've written the correct answer, give yourself a mark. Question 3, Kola has dash new shirt. Kola has dash new shirt. So the instructions are guiding us to fill in the blanks using a. Kola has a new shirt. That is how your sentence is supposed to read. Kola has a new shirt. Again, give yourself a score. That is if you have the correct answer. But if you don't have the correct answer, just write the correct one at the top. Then number 4, Mr. Muller has dash big house. Mr. Muller has dash big house. So you fill in the blank with a. Then you read the whole sentence. Mr. Muller has a big house. Mr. Muller has a big house. If you have the correct answer, also give yourself a mark. And lastly, we have dash lion is a dangerous animal. Dash lion is a dangerous animal. So just do as the instructions have guided us. You fill in the blanks using a. But now number 5, the dash is at the beginning of the sentence. And remember that in grammar when writing, your sentence must start in a capital letter and end in a full stop. Therefore, our answer shall be in capital form. So our sentence should read that a lion is a dangerous animal. Also, if you have the correct answer, give yourself a mark. So this is what you are supposed to do. Simply fill in the blank spaces with a or article a. So if you've scored everything, good work, well done. But if there is something that you've missed out, please make sure that you are doing the corrections. I am still going to add you more work on article a. So get ready with your exercise book and copy the questions. So, have 6 questions where you are required to use article a to fill in the blank spaces. Question 1, Maina is dash new member of the school basketball team. Maina is dash new member of the school basketball team. Question 2, Joanna's father is dash truck driver. Joanna's father is dash truck driver. Number 3, she has dash nice shoes. She has dash nice shoes. Number 4, I am dash good girl. I am dash good girl. Number 5, I ate dash fish in the evening. I ate dash fish in the evening. And lastly, Muli bought dash new watch. So